Hey guys, I'm Priyanka and welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I'm gonna do the full face makeup for the very first time. I have never done full face makeup ever in my life. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, then please subscribe to my channel and press that bell button also. And yeah, let's not waste the time and get into the video. So yeah, as I have told you guys that I have never used full face makeup ever in my life. I have just used 3 products in my life, which is one I have used BB cream, then I have used liner, and third one is lip balm. Whenever I go outside, I just use these 3 things, just these 3 products. So in this video, I'm gonna do full face makeup. So yeah, let's see how the outcome is gonna be look like. So I have seen a lots of videos and I have done a lots of researches about the makeup videos. In those videos I have seen they firstly used a primer or moisturizer or any kind of sunscreen. So just like them, I'm gonna use the sunscreen, which is Neutrogena sunscreen. I have this sunscreen, Neutrogena sunscreen. So yeah, I'm gonna do this, but let's first इसको सही से लगा लेते हैं एक बार. So yeah, I am ready, and so let's start the makeup now. So what I told you, I'm gonna use this product, Neutrogena sunscreen. I'm gonna apply this in circular motion and like this. So yeah, I applied this on my neck and my face, all over my face and my neck also. So it's not gonna look different from the face. So yeah, it's done. So yeah, I have seen in so many videos they apply foundation on the second step, so I'm gonna do the same. I'm gonna apply foundation, and they also use a BB cream and foundation together, so I'm gonna do the same. I'm gonna mix these both together and apply all over my face. So yeah, I have applied the foundation and BB cream all together on my face. So yeah, to mix this foundation, I'm gonna use my naked brush. So yeah, here is my naked brush kit. So I'm gonna apply. Yeah, this is the all packs I have got. And this one. So ऐसे ही देखा है मैंने उनको blend करते हुए brushes वगैरह से. So I'm gonna do the same. I don't know how it's gonna look like at the end. But देखते हैं कैसा look आता है हमारा. So yeah, you also need to apply the foundation and BB cream all over your neck also. So it's not gonna look different from the face. So yeah, I have done the same. I have used the foundation on my neck also. And yes, so finally I have blended my foundation all over my face. So this is the final look I have got. So yeah, after applying the foundation, I have seen them to apply the concealer. So I am gonna apply the concealer all over my face. Sorry, all over my face. So yeah, I'm gonna apply this here, and I don't know कहाँ कहाँ लगाना है, बस देखते हैं कहाँ. मैंने mostly देखा यहाँ पे लगाते हुए. Then on the chin side, then on the forehead. So yeah, let's get started. So yeah, the next thing I have used is the concealer. Yes, you can see I have used a little bit on my neck also. I'm gonna use the same brush from the naked one, this fluffy one brush. So yeah, I have a pimple also over here. Ignore that.
So I have just applied my concealer.
So yeah, this is the final look after concealer. So after concealer, what they do is they apply the compact powder or any loose powder. So I'm gonna use here my L'Oreal Paris Magic, sorry. So after applying concealer on my face, so I'm gonna apply this one. So yeah, I think it's gonna set all the makeup. It's gonna lock all the makeup on your face. So yeah, I have just applied the compact powder and let's mix it well on our face with this brush. I have applied my compact powder, as you can see.
So now I'm gonna do what?
So yeah, actually the next thing I'm gonna use is blush, but don't have any blush right now. So instead of using blush, I'm gonna use my lipstick, this Blue Heavens lipstick, and I'm gonna use this as a blush. So let's see how it's gonna look like. Actually, I have never ever used blush in my life. I guess it's not gonna look like a joker. I hope it's gonna work and gonna look like a blush. It's gonna give you a little difference. Is it looking good? Please guys comment and let me know if it's looking good on my face, because I have never ever used any blush in my entire life. I don't know how much amount I have to use. ज़्यादा तो नहीं हो गया ये कहीं? It's okay, fine. ज़्यादा नहीं है. So yes, I have applied the blush. Blush with a brush. Is it looking nice or not? I don't know, but I have applied. Can you see this pimple? आप कब जाओगे? जैसे कोरोना नहीं जा रहा ना, इसका भी यही आना जाना लगा रहता है, इसका जाते ही नहीं है कभी. So yes, I'm done with the blush. So yeah, the next thing I have to do is my eyebrows. Yeah. So yeah, let's start doing these eyebrows. I don't know how to do eyebrow, but I'm gonna try this time. For my eyebrows, I'm gonna use this Naked's angular brush. Look at this. For the eyebrows, let's see how it's gonna look like. Can you see the difference between these two? I haven't completed yet, but even though you can see a little difference between these eyebrows. I don't know how it's looking, but I have tried my best to do the eyebrows. This is the very first time I'm doing this. Finally, I have done my eyebrows anyhow. This was the most difficult, till now this was the most difficult task. I don't know how it's looking, but I have tried my best to do. So next thing I'm gonna do is the eye makeup. For that, I think I'm gonna do the smoky eyes. I'm gonna try to do smoky eyes for the very first time, and let's see how the result is gonna come for the smoky eyes. I don't know, ये लगा कि मुझे बहुत जोकर सा लग रहा है, जैसे मैं जोकर लग रही हूँ. ऐसा नहीं है, बट मैंने बहुत ही लाइट लगाया है, बिकॉज ना फर्स्ट टाइम लगा रही तो बहुत अजीब सा लग रहा है कि कैसा लगेगा, पता नहीं. वो जोकर्स नहीं लगाते यहाँ पे सर्कल सा, तो मुझे वैसे ही लग रहा है कि मैंने वैसे तो नहीं लगाया, लेकिन मैंने काफ़ी लाइट लगाई, इतना तो मुझे पता है. सो या फॉर द आईज आई एम गोना यूज द Glam 21 Shades, this one, this palette. Let's see. So yeah, here is the shades. Look at these shades. This is new. I have rarely used, like I have swatched on my hand and I have tried what these colors look like. Look at the pretty colors. How pretty these colors are. I guess it has 51 colors for an eyeshadow. No, all these are sparkling colors mostly. They are sparkling a lot. I love it. I'm liking this one. I'm gonna use this brush from Naked. Like this. Okay. So which color I have to take? I don't know. इतना तो श्योर हूँ कि ब्लैक तो लेना है स्मोकी आईज के लिए. ब्लैक के साथ क्या मिक्स करना है? सो आई एम गोना टेक ब्रॉन्ज एंड ब्लैक कलर. स्टार्ट करते हैं हम अपने आईज का मेकअप. मुझे ना ब्रशेस वगैरह से ज़्यादा हाथों से कंफर्टेबल लग रहा है. एक्चुअली ना मैंने स्किप कर दिया ब्रॉन्ज कलर को. मैंने ब्लू लिया इस टाइम. अब मैं ब्लू से कर रही हूँ. ये मैंने लिया क्यों मुझे नहीं पता, लेकिन मेरे को ना हैंड से अपने फिंगर से ही करना ज़्यादा कंफर्टेबल लग रहा है. अब लिया है तो थोड़ा इसको यूज़ कर लेते हैं. कैन सी दिस. So after this I'm gonna apply the black one. Actually I have used this, if you can see, I have used this blue and this black, or you can say grey or black, blue and grey. I've combined these both together. I have used the blue one, and now I'm gonna apply the black eyeshadow. So yeah, can you guys see how it's looking? Yeah. So after this I'm gonna give a little glowy look to this. I think it's complete, like it's looking like a smoky eyes. What do you guys think? Is it looking like a smoky eyes? I'm gonna apply a little bronze type colors to just enhance the color of smoky eyes. Now how is it looking? I'm gonna use is my eyeliner for the eyes. I have seen them using eyeliner after the eyeshadow. So for this I'm gonna use this Insights eyeliner. Yeah, this is a waterproof eyeliner, and I like this because it's just, you have to just peel off the eyeliner. You don't have to use any makeup remover or anything else to remove the eyeliner. So this is the best thing I like the most. I will be just back after applying this eyeliner. So yeah guys, I'm done with the eyeliner part. I have applied winged eyeliner. If you guys can see, a very little winged eyeliner I have applied. Yes, तो हमारा लाइनर भी हो गया है. नाउ आई गेस कि हमें काजल लगाना है. सो फॉर काजल आई एम यूजिंग दिस मिस क्लेयर्स वाइट kajal. So yeah, let's apply this Miss Claire's white kajal. If you want to seal this Miss Claire's, yeah, Miss Claire's. So yeah, I'm gonna apply this kajal now. As I have applied the liner, it's time to so yeah, I have applied the white kajal, and now it's time to apply the mascara. I'm gonna apply mascara on both of my eyes. I'm also done with the mascara part. So yeah, it's time for the highlighter now. So I have applied on my nose, and yeah, on this part also. Also apply the highlighter on your bones, collar bones. I'm done with the highlighter part also. for lipstick. So yeah, it's time for the lipstick part. Yeah, so for the lipstick I'm gonna take this Blue Heavens matte lipstick. I have also used it as a blush, and also I'm gonna apply this on my lips. So yeah, as you can see, I have applied the lipstick also. This one is from Blue Heaven, a red lipstick. This is in the shade 01. Here is the final look. I guess I have done a pretty good because this is the first time I have done my eyes also. Let me know in the comment box what do you guys think, how is my makeup I have done. This is for the first time, so yeah, comment according to that, like how is that about for the first makeup look. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you guys really enjoyed watching this video, then please subscribe to my channel and comment down below you guys like this or not. I will try to do much better than this. Yeah, please comment down below if you like this video, and even if you don't like, then let me know what did you like and what did you didn't like about this video. Okay, having done that bad, I guess it's okay, it's fine.